5 Psychological Tips to Make Others Like You. Hey there, Psychology Facts family. Have you ever wondered how to make people instantly like you? In today's video, we're revealing 5 psychological tips that will make others gravitate towards you. Tip number 1, mirroring. Mirroring is when you subtly mimic the gestures, expressions, and body language of the person you're talking to. It's like being a human chameleon. Studies show that mirroring creates a sense of rapport and trust. So next time you're in a conversation, try mirroring their actions and see the magic unfold. Tip number 2, give genuine compliments. Everyone loves to be appreciated, right? When you notice something you genuinely admire about someone, don't hesitate to compliment them. It'll make them feel valued and create a positive association with you. Just remember, sincerity is key. Tip number 3, practice active listening. Have you ever talked to someone who seemed genuinely interested in what you had to say? It feels great, doesn't it? To be an active listener, maintain eye contact, nod in agreement, and ask follow-up questions. This shows that you're truly engaged and care about their thoughts. Tip number 4, harness the power of touch. A gentle touch on the arm or a pat on the back can create a sense of connection and warmth. Of course, always be mindful of personal boundaries and cultural differences. When done appropriately, touch can be a powerful tool for building rapport. Tip number 5, radiate positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positive energy. So, smile often, share uplifting stories, and be the person who lights up the room. Positivity is contagious, and others will want to be around you. Now it's your turn. Which of these psychological tips have you tried, and how did they work for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing psychology content. Until next time, Psychology Facts family.